What's up, guys? Welcome back to the House of Vlogs. Today we are bowling the last block of match play. 6 games. I'm gonna need to average about 250 or 260 to make this cut, and then we are cutting to the top 24 bracket match play. Usually it's a round robin match play, you bowl everybody. This time it's bracket, single elimination, best of 7. So if you lose your match, you go home. Right now, I got average 250. I drilled a bunch of reactive balls. Hopefully they work. So I said I drilled a bunch of reactive balls, and I did, and I really tried to use them. I did. I tried to use that Pure Madness that I drilled. I tried to use the Infinity that I drilled. I tried to use the Archetype Hybrid for a couple of shots, and just, they were too quick off the back of the pattern. They were too responsive. My hand was too responsive, so I'm gonna go tomorrow and practice doing a little bit better job with my hand. Chris Vi and Nick Pate both made the top 24, and they're actually bowling each other in the first round. BJ Moore made it as well. He's going to bowl Jason Sterner in the first round. So look for those guys. Plenty of shots from them coming up soon, because I didn't make it, which means I will be behind the camera. Right now, you guys are going to catch Chris and Nick and BJ versus Jason Sterner. Chris took home the dub against Nick. It was a super tight match. Many games got all the way down to the 10th. One of them even went into a roll-off, which is a one-ball roll-off for the tie. And this is a brand new format that we haven't really seen before on the tour. Super cool to watch. Every match means a lot, obviously, because if you win, you get to stay in the tournament. And if you lose, you're going home, no matter if you qualified first, 24th. If you lose, you're going home. So it's really cool to mix up the formats, and I'll be looking forward to another time when they mix up the formats next week in Springfield, Missouri. Thank you guys for watching, and until the next one, peace.